Okay, so let us see another module, which is the import module. Now an import module or the import operation is useful when the container comes back to its original owner. For example, you can see an import operation here, which has an import operation number along with a booking number and a sales inquiry number. So if the organization wants to import a vessel, they would create something like an import operation. You can create a new operation by selecting new operation here, and then you add details of any import operation which takes place. For example, if the import operation is coming in from a shipper, you add in the shipper details, the clearing party details, the customer information, and the booking number which has to be selected. Now the booking details will include the container information. If there is any bill of lading information that has to be added, that will be selected. Or if a bill of lading which is coming in from a third party, it will be added in the third party bill of lading. The bill of lading date and other information about the freight and the vessel. So we go back to the import operation index screen, and as we can see that there are other import operations which are booked. So we click on more info. Now here we can see there are multiple import operation line items. So you can see there are container numbers which are specified here. So I select one container number here and check the container status inside container inventory. So I search the container number here, and if you notice that this container shows a status as empty, since the container has been imported and now it is not being used by any other booking inside booking entries. So when next time you use this container in booking entry and export operation, it will change its status from empty to loaded, and then from loaded to on water. So this gives you a tracking information about the container, the current location as well as its status. So the screens that affect the status of a container are the booking entry, the export operation, the bill of lading, as well as the import operation. So let us go back to import operation. Another thing to note here is whenever you create a new import operation, it has to be linked to a booking number and a sales inquiry number. So the same process of how you would do an export operation, the import operation will also include a booking number and a sales inquiry, which would be linked and related to the container information that you will be filling inside the import operation line items. Now in every import operation details, there is a delivery order. So you click on print DO. And then you have something called as an empty off order. So it is also called as the empty offloading order. So that was it for the import operation module.